my gosh! Oh my gosh! Thank you! Thank you, Shino! Where are you from, Shino? Thank you so much! Thank you! I really do appreciate it. I think you're you're my new viewer, right? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, really? Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you more. Thank you. Thank you. I really do appreciate it po. Welcome. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. More blessings. Where are you from, Shino? Where are you from? You're my new viewer, right? Oh, thank you so much. Welcome. Nice day. Oh, thank you. Where are you? Tacloban City? Tacloban City? So, Pilipino ka? But I'm in States. Pilipino ka po? OMG! Hi, kabayan! Thank you. Salamat ng marami. Thank you po. Maraming thank you. Sa Tacloban. Ay na. Oo, waray-waray. Taga Tacloban. Thank you so much po. Kahit po ngayon lang po kayo nanood dito sa live ko. Nag-share po agad kayo ng blessings. Maraming salamat. Uhain ka man? Ha? Ha? Ano po? Hindi ko po maintindihan. You ba? Where you from? Ah, dito sa Pilipinas. Pilipinas, pero dito po sa kung hindi ko po alam kung alam niyo yung Nueva Vizcaya. Taga dito po ako. Cagayan Valley, Region 2. Maraming salamat po sa pag-share ng blessings niyo po. Ano po work niyo dyan sa States? I guess Luzon. Yes po. Yes. Luzon.